Welcome back, everybody. One of the most frequent questions that I've received lately is how do I clean out my Blackstone Air Fryer Combo fryer baskets? So this is what the air fryer basket looks like. Most of the questions are coming from people that are considering buying the air fryer, and they just want to know how easy it is to clean these out or how difficult it is. Lots of people asking me if the baskets are dishwasher safe. Now, I personally don't use the dishwasher a lot. I like to hand wash, but yes, these are dishwasher safe. So let me show you how I clean them and then how you can clean them if you want to put them in the dishwasher. This is pretty much all there is to it. You get the handle here, turn that around, and you'll see those two screws on the inside. Here's how easy it is. We have two metal screws on the inside. Just take those two screws off. And the handle simply lifts out like that. So if you absolutely insist on putting these in the dishwasher, which you can because it's just a piece of stainless steel, just set your handle aside. You can pull out your little grease rack in the bottom, and there you go. As for me personally, I don't put these in the dishwasher. Let's go ahead and put that handle back on so you can see how easy it is. There's one. And there's the second one. And I should also tell you that you don't have to completely remove these screws. I just wanted to show you the part. So if you just give them a little bit of a turn, you can just pull that straight off. I've had mine for several months. I don't put this in the dishwasher at all. I just pull out my little rack like that. I empty my crumbs, and then it's just a process of getting some steel wool, a stainless scrubber, a green 3M scrubber, a little bit of soap, scrub, and spray. And the same thing with this. I just scrub this off with a stainless scrubber, spray it off, put it right back in the basket. But if you're concerned and you have to use the dishwasher, that's how easy it is to remove the handle. That's how easy it is to clean the air fryer basket. Lots of people also asking about the size of the baskets. Let me try to give you a perspective here. This is your typical indoor countertop air fryer. Let's go ahead and pull the fry basket out. So here is one of your average air fryer baskets off the market, and one of the Blackstone. So you can see the Blackstone's comparable, probably a little bit larger, but of course, the Blackstone Air Fryer Combo comes with two. I can't lift those at the same time. Comes with two. Let's try it again, folks. Comes with two, so you can see a lot more real estate in the Blackstone Air Fryer Combo. And of course, the Blackstone Air Fryer Combo comes with the extra warming basket as well. So just a ton more space, and I thought you guys would find that interesting if you're thinking about buying a Blackstone Air Fryer Combo. So I'm not going to reinvent the wheel today. If you want to see me cooking on the Air Fryer Combo, just go back here and look at it. Oh boy, I like to keep things positive here on my channel, so I don't want to turn into a complainer. But if I had a complaint, I would complain that people are too lazy to just go back and look at my videos. They're too lazy to look at YouTube searches. The other day I did a stir fry video and I used ground beef or ground elk, and somebody said, hey, have you ever done stir fry using chicken? Yes, like 20, 30, 40 times. Just go back and look, folks. Thanks for joining, everybody. Thanks for watching, I should say. And I'll be back with another video as soon as I can. So until next time, this is Todd saying, praise the Lord.